In this video, we will see how to install Node.js in Windows. Go to nodejs.org. Click on the latest stable version displayed in the left-hand side. This will download the installable file. Click on the downloaded installable file. Accept the license agreement and click Next. I want to retain the installation folder as it is, so I am clicking Next. I am clicking Next in the following screens. Then I am clicking Install. If a confirmation window pops up, confirm to install Node.js. Once installation completes, click Finish, which completes the installation.